I came to share and teach about lost person behavior, how people get lost, where they go when they get lost, how you collect data to predict where they are when they're going to get lost, all with the goal of finding them as soon as you can. I'll be sharing a statistical database where we look at previous cases of how people, what they did when they get lost. And with these thousands and thousands of cases, we can hopefully find the one person we're looking for right now. I collect data from all over the world, and people will behave differently in different types of vegetations. You behave differently in an urban city than you would in the wilderness, behave differently in mountains than you would do in non-mountains, differently when it's really thick tropical jungles than, say, forests versus deserts. So I collect data and travel and train around the world. Culture is an interesting question. I really don't have enough data to conclude the impact it has. My one observation is with different cultures, people really seem to behave the same. A lost, stressed out, in dire needs person is a lost, stressed out, in dire needs person. We're all the same at heart. Anybody can get lost at any time. Tourists can get lost. Visitors can get lost. Elderly people can get lost. Young children can get lost. Each will behave differently, so you need to know how everybody that you potentially are looking for will behave. Pretty much the same, because you're looking for that person, and that person is usually found close. Most people, a good chunk of people are found within 300, 500 meters of where they're last seen. So whether it's a big island or a small island, it's those close distances that are important. And also people are found along water features or along edges of items. So that's the same as well. The most important tool is knowledge. They'll walk away knowing how people behave, where people go, and what they should do, and simple tools and techniques to find them. In addition, they'll have books and knowledge to use as reference. Time is not the friend of the lost person. With every passing hour, their chances of survival decrease, so the quicker you can find them, the better the outcome, but there's no guarantees.